Okay, pals, to start off this recipe, we're going to need instant coffee, pure maple syrup, and a milk of your choice. I went with oat. You will obviously also need a cup. Start by scooping a heaping teaspoon of instant coffee and pour that into your cup. Fill your kettle with water and turn it on to boil. While your water is boiling, add your desired amount of maple syrup. I usually go for about 1 tablespoon. That's a visual for how much maple syrup I add, and I don't like my lattes to be super duper sweet. Now, it wouldn't be a latte without milk, so now pour about half a cup of milk into a measuring cup and froth. Turn on your milk frother, use an electric mixer or a hand whisk if you have that. Now that we have our 3 components, it's time to assemble. We have our sweetened coffee, frothed milk, and hot water. Pour in just enough hot water to dissolve the instant coffee and maple syrup, about 1.5 inches. Swirl to combine. Now begin pouring in your milk. Look at how fluffy it is. You can see that the coffee and milk is a bit separated, but that will change with the addition of ice. Add your favorite straw and mix to combine. It is so good. Just looking at it while editing, I think I need to go make one right now.